Some people completely fall apart after failure. And honestly, that's normal. Losing something real changes you. A relationship, a dream, your confidence. Sometimes life hits so hard, you don't even recognize yourself anymore. You wake up exhausted. You overthink every little thing. You stop replying to people. And deep down, you start thinking maybe you just don't got it in you anymore. But here's the weird thing about people. The ones who survive their lowest moments usually turn into the strongest versions of themselves later. Why? Because pain wakes you up. When life's easy, most people just cruise through life on autopilot. But suffering changes that. It forces you to think, to reflect, to question your habits, your mindset, your whole life. And little by little, you stop caring about dumb stuff. You get quieter, sharper, more disciplined. Not because motivation magically showed up, but because pain changed what actually matters to you. That's why some people become unstoppable after suffering. Not dangerous to other people, dangerous to the weak version of themselves. Because once you survive nights that almost destroyed you mentally, small problems don't scare you anymore. And this is the part nobody really talks about. Healing is messy. There's no movie-style comeback moment. Most of the time, recovery looks like getting out of bed when you feel empty, trying again after taking another L, surviving rough weeks, slowly rebuilding your confidence. It's boring, it's lonely, and half the time it feels invisible. But that's exactly how strong people are built, quietly. So if you're at your lowest right now, remember this: your mind isn't destroying you, it's rebuilding you. And one day, you're going to look back at this painful phase and realize this was the moment you stopped being weak.